Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So today in my video, I am going to share with you. So first of all, I would like to tell you if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So first of all, I would like to tell you how to improve our confidence, because confidence is very important when you start speaking English, when you start any language. So confidence is very important. So first of all, you have to increase your confidence. So I would like to tell you how to increase our confidence. So first of all, I would like to tell you, you should have the more much practice. Okay, without practice you can't achieve your goal. If you have more much practice, automatically your confidence will be increased. So any times you can have the practice with yourself. If you don't have any partner, so it's okay, you can have the practice yourself. And you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. If you don't want to speak with other person because of lack of confidence, so you can start with yourself in front of mirror. So I think this is a very good, and practice is very important. Every people say something like this makes perfect. So practice you should have lots of, and then your confidence will be increased. So another thing, avoid the hesitation. Another thing I have, avoid the hesitation. Everything, every person have a hesitation, because this times I am making the video and I have lots of hesitation. So please remove the hesitation, because when you start speaking English, so that time try to speak without hesitation. I know initially days it happens, and every learner have a problem. Even I have a problem when I start speaking. So that's why I have lots of hesitation, due to I can't speak English. So please remove the hesitation. It's why does question rise? I think what is the hesitation? Hesitation is because when I start speaking English, so that times I think something like this, I am making the mistake, and definitely I am being the criticized by other peoples. So please don't think more much. Okay, this is a common thing. When you make the lots of mistake, then you will be increased lots of thing. Okay, so I think native speaker make the mistake. So please don't think about much, about mistake is common thing, and you can when you make the lots of mistake, and then you can improve your communication skill. Okay, so I think this is a very big problem, and over the times I think something like this times I am making the mistake. Please don't think. Okay, only express your feeling, or express your thought with other person. Okay, and please, I think as next thing I have, don't translate English to Hindi. Okay, don't translate English to Hindi. All the people, all the learner try to translate English to Hindi, so that times I take so much times. So only direct speak, only try to speak directly, and definitely you will be improved. I Because this times I am making the video and any words comes in my mind, and then I am speaking with you. So please don't think more much about, because this times how to start, how to say, how to use in my conversation. So only speak without thinking, without translating. Okay, and I think this is a very good, and please don't think about peoples. Okay, all the times, all the learner have a problem. Even I have a problem when I start speaking English. So that times I think about people, because definitely people are making the fun at me. Okay, I think people have to say. Okay, people have to say, and people have a work to say. So please don't think about people. As I said to you, people have to work to say. Only express your feelings without thinking, because this times I am making the mistake, and no, because I am being the insulted by people. Only express your feeling. Okay, so I think this is a very big problem, and every person have a problem. This times I am having the conversation, and I am having the practice, and I am removing my hesitation, and I am increasing my confidence. So then I should, once again I am saying that don't think about people, only try to speak English, and definitely you will be improved. Okay, I think confidence is very important while speaking English. If you have more much confidence, you can speak very easily. So first of all you should increase your confidence, and then you can carry on next step. Okay, so I think please speak up. Okay, and another thing I have, speak up. As much as you speak, definitely you will be increased, and your confidence will be increased. So only try and speak. And watching, another thing, watching is very important. I think watching uh, watching watching is the important part of learning English. So more much video you should watch, and apply in your daily life, apply in your conversation. Okay, and definitely you will be improved. Okay, so once again I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. And please doing the comment was my video. Okay, if you don't like my video, you can press dislike button. Okay, so please do the like and do the comment. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.